You know, as I sit here in my 2 bedroom, new built London apartment, well, that's a bit of a stretch. So as I sit here in my 1 bedroom shared house unit, I can't help but to wonder. So as I sit here in my 1 bedroom shared house unit, about to have my leftover barbecue shrimp and egg fried rice, I really can't help but wonder, are we living with a false sense of security? I can't help but think of our high comfort level to actually sit in a restaurant and eat off someone else's food. But a lot of us wouldn't even eat from a neighbor. Some of us not even our friends or family. And so it begs the question, are we living with a false sense of security? And in the meantime, an Amazon delivery arrived. So at some point throughout this video, we will unbox it and see what's in it. So here's a list of my 10 things that I think actually give us a false sense of security. Ready? 1. Hotel stay versus staying at your friend or your family home. I'm sure a lot of people that go to the hotel, they don't really second, third, fourth, and fifth guest bed linen. That's how they do if they probably go to a friend or a family member. And really and truly, is the hotel linen we supposed to second, third, and 10th guests? Next one. The next one is restaurant utensils and food as opposed to street food. The street food may be cleaner, who knows? But we tend to more judge people who sell food on the street than if we go and sit in a restaurant and eat it. That is a false sense of security. 1. Gated community versus non-gated community. My personal experience, I lived in one. I guess you have different levels, of course. But the point is, I lived in one. And one night, the gentleman who lived beside me, right? His girlfriend's car was broken into and they stole supposedly her laptop and some other things. Mind you, my car at the time, I met in an accident. One of the doors couldn't close properly and they didn't go in it. Being married versus being in a relationship. Yes, marriage should give us a sense of security, but in reality, it is not necessarily more of a security than being in a committed relationship. Having a 9-to-5 job as opposed to being an entrepreneur or having a set of passive incomes. People usually think that having a 9-to-5 job is secure. It is not. As a matter of fact, nothing in this life is secure. And this one, owning a home. Most of the time, it's not home ownership. It's actually mortgage ownership. Because for a lot of people, you'll be having to pay that mortgage for the next 30-something years. So it's really owned by the lenders and so on until you're able to pay your loan, and then it's your house. But it's still important because it's better we're paying towards owning our own home than paying someone else's mortgage to rent. And this next one, too many of us take it for granted. Good health. Good health. We take good health for granted until it becomes ill health. Family and friends. Well, this one kind of goes without saying. If you have good family members and friends, keep them near and dear. Keep them near and dear, because it's not everyone gets to experience true friendships, whether through your family or your friends. Freedom. I used to say, well, why would I lose my freedom? I'm not a wrongdoer. But God forbid, anything can happen. You could be driving one day and, God forbid, something happens that causes someone else to lose their life. This could result in you being behind bars. So any one of us could end up losing our freedom and time. This one goes without saying. As they say, time lost can never ever be regained. Doesn't matter how much you try to make up for it. For example, you didn't sleep last night. You think today you'll make up for it. It's gone. It's a different day. You're not making up for it. It is gone. It will never be regained. And then the last one, and the last thing that I think we take for granted is water. water and electricity. A lot of us who have it, we misuse it. So tell me, what are some of the things that you think causes a false sense of security? Okay, so now you're going to do this Amazon unboxing with me. So I bought this Miley Professional UV Gel Lamp for manicure and pedicure. For manicure and pedicure. I bought this via TikTok. So TikTok made me buy it. I bought this via TikTok via Liz Charlton's page. She's a TikToker and also a YouTuber. And so I bought this off her Amazon Homefront link. I also bought this nail drill via her TikTok link. Sheen, what is it called? Melody Susie Sheen nail drill. And my Eco Styler coconut hair gel was finished. Well, the last of it is left, so I ordered another large one. My CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion with SPF 30. I also have the last of this, so I'm happy to take today. Last but not least, this Model 1 gel nail polish. Can you see that? Model 1 gel nail polish. And these are they. So there it is. 6 in the pack. Yeah. So I'll be trying to do my own pedicure and manicure because I work really long shifts. 12 hours. And sometimes more than 4 days, which means at times I can't be bothered to go to the salon to get my pedicure done. I'm not supposed to really wear nails. I can wear like neutral tones. Well, not just neutral tones. I can wear flesh tones, yeah? So light pink and so on, can't be long and stuff like that. But I love having white on my nails most times, on my toenails most times. And I decided, you know what? Why not just buy it and try doing it myself at home? Saves me time, and in the long run, it will save me money. Alright, Journey. So this ends this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, Journeys.